Guys, welcome back to another episode of Nessa's World. Now, let me tell you this. This is like the third time I'm trying to record this video. And alright, so my neighbor is playing music, so if you don't hear no noise in the background, just know say I am a plate, right? But there's nothing wrong if you bounce to tune. And I couldn't get to do it because the first time I actually recorded it, right? But I have two neighbors, right? One on this side and one on that side. And they love music. And the two of them have some speaker box that, only asylum you can hear them something, Got dance, yeah. So then now bounce up the place, especially like today was Mother's Day, and today I actually said that I was going to record. And then that neighbor decided to do some karaoke, which was a bit fun, it's Mother's Day, whatever. So I didn't even mind, but I didn't want to come to you with no organized in the background, you understand? Nessa's World. Alright, so today I want to do two things. And I want my small YouTubers to come on board with me, and we're gonna just start something new, right? So I'm going to do a new challenge, and it's gonna call the Lays Challenge, right? And I so explain that, and I'm going to talk about some basic stuff that a lot of YouTubers don't talk about, which can help your channel. Like little things where me realize in my videos that could make it better, and me realizing that some of the video we can make it better, because people normally focus on lighting, camera and sound and all those stuff, but they forget the smaller details. So I'm going to talk about those stuff, and I also want to talk about my giveaway for 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost there, and even though I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, I need to build up my watch time now. Now that's my next goal, because currently my watch time is 700. Yeah, and I need to reach 4,000. So some of you guys are not watching my video right to the end, Maybe I need to spice it up a little bit, but yeah. So now let's talk about this challenge. Now we all know when we buy a pack of Lay's, right, we get like 90% hair and 10% chips. So I want you guys to film, when you're filming your next video, just buy a pack of Lay's, a small pack, and as you eat it, just count it and see how much they give you in a pack, right? So, and just put it on the camera so you know that it's true and it's genuine. It's nothing out there, it's just something for we little, YouTubers, you understand? Yeah. So let's go. Like look at that. Like, what is that? Like, what is that? Right? Like, there's literally nothing in here. But whatever. So I'm gonna eat the first one. So I'm just gonna eat and talk and then count it and let you guys know how much Lay's I got in this pack. Alright, so I want to talk about the simple details that we miss when recording our videos, and that may help to give you a better quality or better content or whatever. So the first one is would be a camera, but it's not the type of camera you need, right? But say for instance you're using your phone. Like now I'm using my phone, and even though I have an high-tech phone, the quality will be good and everything, but sometimes I realize when I'm taking pictures or videoing, like it's blurry or something like that. So what I recommend is that each time you're going to make a video, you wipe the lens of the camera, because you have grease on your face and you have your phone at your ears and all those stuff, and you may not realize, but your viewers is seeing that dark shadowy thing over the lens or whatever. And you know, wiping it off will give you a better view. Like, look at the quality right now, you know, even though I said I have a good quality phone, but if I had smudges on the camera, it would have, you guys would have seen, right? Next thing. Now this is the reason why I know about this one is because I was doing a mukbang, right? And normally I do my mukbang in the kitchen because I have a bigger space on the wall to, you know, project the camera, and just a blank space, and it's white. And I was doing that, that's near the fridge, right? And I didn't realize until I was editing, no, not even editing, because I edited and I didn't even realize until I posted, and I went back and I was watching it, and that time a lot of person watched it already and comment on it already and whatever. So you know what, I delete that the video there. And I was watching it, and all I was hearing zzz, zzz, zzz in the background. I'm like, what is this? I said, no man, but me know me not have on the fan on because me never bring the fan. Like, me don't normally record with fan because I don't like the noise in the background. And then I realized is the fridge. So what I would recommend is, if you're going to do if you're gonna do if you're gonna record something, you know, turn off your fan. Don't go near to the fridge or anything. Or if you do have to go in the fridge, you know, plug out the fridge for a while because we want the audio to be very clear, if you understand. So that's two, right? And this is my third chips. And before I go on to the next one, I just want to tell you guys that for my 1000 subscriber celebration, I'm going to do a $1,000 credit giveaway. So I'm gonna do 100 dollars worth of digital and $100 worth of Lime credit. So I want to know how many persons have Lime over digital. So list it in the comments down below so that I can go live and know how much digital I should get and how much Lime I should get, because it doesn't make sense I have like five and I only have like only one person here on a Lime phone, if you understand. So I could just buy more digital and less of Lime, or more Lime and less of digital. So let me know what kind of service you have. And I know a lot of you is not in Jamaica, but what I can do is I could give you guys all a shout out too in the live, you know. So all who live in England and all who live in different countries and you have your channel, I give you a shout out. I think that's 5. This is 6. I don't know. Almost done. Alright, so our next one is I know as small YouTubers we want to get to 1,000 very fast and quick and all that stuff, and you have a lot of group on Facebook, and you have a lot of not really person, you have a lot of sites that you can pay to get subscribers. I would recommend don't do it. I tried it and then I realized like they would subscribe today, then tomorrow they unsubscribe, and then you subscribe to the channel. You don't know who unsubscribed for you to go back and unsubscribe. And when you check it out, they even subscribe to your channel. Even if they stay, they don't watch your video. So you're just having ghost people on your channel, not watching, not interacting, not liking, not doing nothing, and their watch time is not going up or anything like that. But once you start doing videos, I tell you, the right people will come to your channel. Like I used when I first got my channel, I did it and I got up to 2, I think 300 person, because I went on this site and I said, what? I can get subscribers and whatever. And I got up to 500, right? 500 subscribers. And I was just in Facebook subscribers thing, and I was telling people to subscribe to my channel, subscribe. I was just promoting my channel, promoting my channel. And I got up to 500. I was like, wow, this is so good. And then I realized, like, after like a couple weeks, I've gone back all the way down to 200. And I'm like, this doesn't make no sense. Like, I am putting all this work just for someone to subscribe to unsubscribe. That doesn't make any sense. And then I realized, like, for everyone that unsubscribe, again, you know, again, loyal fans or loyal subscribers. And I felt good knowing that these people that come on my channel is the one that really want to support me and really want to watch my video and, you know, encourage me and so forth, like beautifully flawed. And you have the traveling life of Daniel, and you have this new timer, which is beauty, God's Beauty #1. Yeah, you guys need to go on over to their channel and go and subscribe. You have the life of Crystal, you have the life of Shanzi. You know, these people, you have a lot of them that don't even have a channel, and they come over and they give you a word of encouragement, and they will, you know, say, you know, Vanessa, you're not looking into the camera, you know, look into the camera. And I'm like, I thought I was looking into the camera, knowing that my camera is to the side of my phone and I need to pay attention, you know, just to make my video quite, or whatever I'm putting out there is good to them. And that's very good to know that your viewers are interacting with you and you can do stuff that they like, and you know, it just feels good. Like when I did the live, like I really loved the live. I was just talking and it was, we were just having a good time. And I know they said that I should come back on Sunday and I didn't come back on Sunday. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but yeah, I will. Sorry, I think that's 7. I'm not sure. Alright, so this one is broke up. So I think, alright, so this one is broke. So this is egg. And you have one broken one in there. Really is 9 chips in one bag. 9, just 9 chips, 9 chips, 9 chips. It's not a lot of things that I want to tell you guys, but it's just those little stuff that you can, you know, those little details you can pay attention to make your channel better. If you have a window, say for instance you have this window here and there's lights coming in. If you don't have the proper lighting to counteract the lights that's coming from this angle, the video is going to be dark and it doesn't make sense because you're going to have this glare in the camera and all that. So it's recommended that you flame away from the window. So you have your camera here and you sit out here, right? But now it's dark, I can film anywhere. Yeah. So that's the next thing that you need to know. And for the new timers who don't know this, if you're using your phone, don't record this way. Record with your phone this way, right? Because when you edit and put it on YouTube, if you record it like this, you're going to have 2 black thing right here, and we don't want to see that. You understand? Not everybody use their phone and watch YouTube, which will even, it wouldn't make a difference. But some people use like their laptop, their tablet, and not only that, even sometimes the way how you edit it and put it up, even if you use your phone, you will see that the 2 black thing is there, if you understand what I'm saying. So we don't want that, right? No, we don't want that. And then the next thing, don't compare your channel with someone else, right? And don't feel bad if someone new come and they pass you, right? Because you don't know what they're doing, or you don't know what kind of trend they're following, right? Because as for me, I don't really like to follow trend. Like, I'm not gonna get up every day and just prank. Like, if me do prank every day or somebody try to prank me every day, there must be a day me gonna know, see, yo, this guy a prank me, or this dude a prank me, or this girl a prank me. Like, like to me just feel like it's some enough of them something just fake, right? And me not really like, even though it's fun sometimes to watch, but then there's gonna be a time where you get so bored of it and you're tired of the same thing over and over and over and over again. And even if people will like subscribe to your channel, like there's gonna be a time when they just get so annoyed and just stop watching it totally, even though they may still stay subscribed, and maybe one and two time a next video will catch them eye, but they're not going to be there like to interact with you to um to 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 actually help your channel build, if you understand. Yeah. And don't, like, so for instance, if you just come and you see that, oh, my video's quality is good and whatever, you know, you don't know where I'm coming from. I didn't have a ring light, I didn't have a mic, I didn't have this phone, I didn't have a camera. Like, I take my time, I took my little time and acquire the stuff that I need. So after a while you can do the same. Right? So don't, if you have one little phone and you don't have no light pan it or whatever, just take a little time and push through. You know, the greatest thing is that you start. A lot of person always saying that they're going to start their YouTube channel, and up to now them still not start, much less to film a video. So just be glad that you're this far, and you know, stay tuned for my other video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, you know, subscribe. You know, let me know anything else that you want to know. Now we're in quarantine and your girl not going outside. I'm not going outside. I am here. Thank you for the new subscribers. I see you guys, you know. I see you. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new, as I say, you know, subscribe. You know, hit the notification bell. Hit the notification bell so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. See you later. Bye.